In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give star review on Facebook page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the review option, how to select a star rating, and how to post it with confidence. Start by opening Facebook. You can do this on the mobile app or on a web browser. In the search bar at the top, type the business or page name you want to review. Take a quick moment to confirm you've found the correct page by checking the profile photo, location, and category. When you're sure it's the right one, tap or click to open the page. Next, you'll head to the Reviews area. On some layouts, you'll see a Reviews tab right near the top of the page. Go ahead and open it. If you don't see it immediately, just scroll down the page until you find the Reviews section. On mobile, you might need to tap the More button first, then choose Reviews from the list. If reviews aren't visible anywhere, it usually means the page owner has turned them off, so you won't be able to leave a star rating there. Once you're in the Reviews section, look for the option to start your review. This may appear as Write a Review, or you might see a prompt that says, Do you recommend this page? Tap whichever option is shown to open the review screen. Now you'll choose your star rating. You can select anywhere from 1 to 5 stars. 1 star signals a bad experience, while 5 stars means you had an excellent experience. Aim to pick the number that best reflects what happened. Below the stars, you'll usually see a box where you can add an optional comment. This is a great place to share concise, specific details, what you liked, what could be improved, or anything that would help others make an informed choice. Keep it respectful and clear so your feedback is helpful. When you're satisfied with your star rating and any comment you've written, go ahead and post it. Tap, post, or submit, depending on what you see on your screen. Your review will publish to the page, and it may also appear on your profile's activity or review history. If you ever need to make a change, you can return to the page's review section later to edit or remove your review, as long as Facebook still supports that option for the page. That's it. Open the page, navigate to reviews, start your review, choose your stars, optionally add a comment, and post. Thanks for watching and happy reviewing.